Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add someone on Microsoft Teams. Whether you need to add a colleague, a friend, or a new team member, it's a simple process. So let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, click on the chat tab from the left sidebar. This is where all your conversations are located. Click on the new chat icon at the top. It looks like a small pencil and paper. In the to field, type the person's name, email, or phone number. Once their name appears, click on it to add them to the chat. After adding the person, you can start typing a message and send it immediately. They will receive a notification and can reply to you instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to add someone on Microsoft Teams and start a conversation. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.